I have 3 cats. I'm 73 years old, and this was not the plan. But here we are. And their eyes have never looked better. If you've got a cat, a dog, or any furry creatures that somehow took over your house, you know the look they can get, around their eyes. That crusty, goopy, it's sometimes brownish stuff. It shows up. And my cats don't have it anymore. And the reason is these. They're HICC pet eye wipes. And I'd like to thank HICC for sending them to me so I can do this video. Now, HICC stands for Health Innovations for Cleaner, Comfier Pets. So my wife and I tried these. And I gotta say, they're not just some basic wet wipe. They've got what's called a dual enzyme formula. And if you want to get fancy about it, which basically means it's actually dissolving the stuff that causes the staining and discoloration, not just smearing it around. It's a big difference there. And the wipe itself, it's got two sides. One side soft for cleaning, gentle cleaning, and the flip side has these little raised 3D particles for getting into the tougher buildup. And I didn't expect to be impressed by a pet wipe, but here I am again. Now, I'm not a scientist. I'm a guy with 3 cats and too much time on my hands, but even I can appreciate what's in these things. There's a triple oat complex. Sounds like a breakfast cereal, but it soothes and helps the skin around their eyes. And there's vitamin C and blueberry extract, and it's acting as an antioxidant to keep stains from getting darker. And the prebiotics are there to help keep everything balanced so their eyes don't get irritated, in the first place. No alcohol, there's no harsh chemicals, pH balanced, and vet recommended. It's safe for kittens, puppies, sensitive skin, the works. My cats are dramatic about everything, and they tolerated these just fine. Now, these work on dogs, cats, and rabbits, so basically, if it has fur and eyes, you're covered. Great for daily use, easy to toss in a bag and take with you, and they come in a few different scents, or just unscented if your pet's already judging you enough. Oh, and quick tip, my wife figured out, if the wipes feel a little dry, just flip the package upside down for a few minutes, and works like a charm. And for stubborn stains, just be consistent. It takes a little time, but you'll see the difference. I'm just a guy who loves my cats. And even though I swore we'd only get one, I do want their eyes to look clean and healthy. Now, these HICC pet eye wipes, they're the real deal. Give them a try. The link is in the description. Your kittens will love you, or at least they'll tolerate you slightly more. And that's basically the same thing when it comes to cats. And if you think I've given you some good information, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. It really helps my channel. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. I hope to see you again.